now. I don't know my camera look like this, but guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 10th and it's 10/11. I'm about to drive to Charlotte because I am off. It's Wednesday. I'm off till Friday night. I go back to work Friday night. So I'm ready to take my ass to motherfucking Charlotte right now. Alright, got Renault. I really hate this Renault because they don't got the newer charger port, and I just feel like every new car need that for the fast charger. So I gotta go get a regular charger. But excited. I really hate how my hair looking right now. Cause I don't be wrapping this motherfucking hair up no more. But I just got to my first destination. I had to just go somewhere. I'm about to hop on the road though. I gotta go get me some food though, cause I ain't eat today yet, and my stomach right now is on 10. I'm so hungry. I don't know what I want though. What time is it? It's 11. We about to see. Hey guys. So yesterday I got in Charlotte like around 9 o'clock. I hate talking. I got in Charlotte like around 9 o'clock p.m. yesterday, and I didn't record because I'm gonna pick up my fat cousin. His name is Trell. I don't know if you can see him. And we were gonna pick him up, and then we was out, and these drinks they made at this one place were strong as hell. We was done. So yeah, we was done. So today's agenda, what we doing? We better go to the mall and Walmart. I'm about to go pick him up. What's the thing called? Boom. We're going to Boom because I want to go swim and stuff. Our hotel got a swimming pool, so we might go swim there and in the swimming pool. Who knows? Let's spice it up. But okay, so we're inside of Walmart right now because people got to get shorts because we're going to like this little thing. Like I said, like an hour. We just left Starbucks too. But yeah, we inside of Walmart right now. Trying to get some shorts. Say hi.
I'm gonna go to the park. I had to fix my friend. Let's give a roll bounced. Bow wow.
Let's restart this. Okay.
And you're sleeping. Professional, sorry. The hood raised me, what am I saying?
So we're recording now. So we at, what's this? Soul food, and it's nice. It's weird. Don't mind his fro.
Bitch!
But
You may have to say nothing about my fro. They won't want shit. You dumb.
my stomach hurt. But these are only like 15. It's liquor in here, but you don't taste the you don't taste the liquor at all.
The dog gets pissed.
But this place is nice, y'all. It's hot.
Definitely applying.
Yeah, and they got a playground. Let me see my phone.
What?
My phone?
Nah.
It's not right there?
Like, what type of shit is we on?
Oh my god. Ooh, boo-boo.
Look,
It's my motherfucking trap car. We got these Philly cheese egg rolls. So, I don't know. Egg rolls. They good. It's good. Dip in here and taste it.
It was good. It didn't.
No.
It's the sauce.
This shit good. This shit hot though. Alright, chill. Introduce yourself. This is my cousin Trill. He's asleep with old white man. Don't touch anything.
Don't touch what? I forgot what I'm saying.
I'm a Cancer. I am a Cancer. I finished all of this.
I'm an Aquarius, but my name was Trail. I should have my
You stink.
I should have my name plate. You feel like wet, dirty, fat people sex.
Everybody go to the mall.
I mean, a better music choice would be great, but you know they like.
Definitely will. So we was at Concord Mall. Say hey, y'all go keep seeing him, even though his hairline messed up. He supposed to get a haircut tomorrow though. I ain't gonna be here
You
though.
don't have to tell everybody my business.
They see it when they watch it.
Like I said, talk.
And y'all, I'm ready to go to like this little thing so I could jump off the waterfall. And I wanna get drunk again tonight. We are back to that same place, or it doesn't matter. But y'all, so we have to. I don't know what I'm about to get here. I don't know if I'm gonna get something. Try not to like not spend too much.
He's supposed to hear kids.
They are. It's my popcorn. Oh, there's popcorn right there.
The popcorn.
You didn't even know that. You
Yes,
just
I
be
did.
saying. You say anything out that mouth.
This is my favorite mall. Are you down?
Oh my god. Bro, this nigga troll got us. He trying to lure us down here and kill us. Yeah, you are. He got us somewhere and we gotta take off. I mean, you gotta walk in the water. The water!
Yes.
Oh my god, Trail!
I remember that. You gotta walk through the water. It's down. The water.
I gotta pee.
You gotta pee and shit.
What's in this water?
Just little fish. And it's cold as hell.
This nigga Trail got us trying to walk through some water to get to the motherfucking rainforest. I mean the waterfall. He didn't even say no shit about walking through the motherfucking water.
Trail. Let's just take pictures of video.
Yeah, because what time is it? I am hungry. 7:36. Huh? Bitch, I ain't driving this motherfucking car through this bitch.
I'm not talking about the water, bitch.
Oh,
Don't be dumb.
I was finna say
This is dangerous in the nighttime.
it is.
He's trying to
He ain't trying to
find
kill
a
us.
destination stuff. As we go.
No, this like hills. The hills have eyes and shit. The wrong turn. Yeah, this bitch really got us out here in this motherfucking water.
Y'all, we had to walk all the way down there to get to the waterfall.
Bitch, I say 15 fucking minutes.
Right, what's the code?
You audio. Tell YouTube how you look retarded. Got us out here.
No, y'all is just not. Y'all wasn't ready for this.
No, bitch, cause if we would have came earlier, I ain't gonna lie, I would have walked through this bitch. Cause it would have been hot.
Yeah.
But
We gotta try
Hey,
it again. We gotta try it again next time.
next time I come and whoop your ass.
You can't do that.
Okay. Yo, we leaving. Troy tried to get us
You got a YouTube?
kidnapped. Yeah.
Hey, Jaja, YouTube. What you call?
Y'all look a complete mess. But look at my shirt. Look like I don't got no shirt on. But I got a shirt on. But I just got dressed. I gotta do my hair and stuff though, but I might go get some breakfast. I'm gonna go get my cousin. We about to go get some breakfast and then I'm about to hop on the road. Because I gotta go to work tonight. So I'm gonna leave here like at 12. I should get back home like 8 o'clock. Yeah, like around 8. I gotta go to 12. I mean, work at 12 by midnight. But y'all, I'm so tired. Yesterday we were so tired. He took us to that shitty ass place. He told us that we had to walk through the motherfucking water to go to the waterfall. We just stayed where the fuck we was at. Then we left. But I'm so tired, y'all. We going in the car. Yep, you got Miss Dirty in the back. And we finna go get some don't hit me. Don't hit me. I gotta throw up. Y'all, I ain't eat since Oh my God, Cheryl, I ain't eat since we left that place.
So did you eat shit last night?
I went to the hotel to sleep. So I feel like real sick. I feel like I throw up.
You got a headache?
So I did have a headache when I woke up this morning.
That's how I felt yesterday.
Yep, when I woke up this morning, I had a headache.
All day, headache.
But we finna go to Leroy.
I can't eat too much because I gotta look thin in my crop top. Even though
We better go get some lunch, y'all. Dude, don't piss me off. All right, look. Put your drink in the camera. What is this called? We have Leroy Fox. And this drink is...
let that man go.
Cheers
That's
to
something y'all need
that.
to do. Let that man go right.
Starting today.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
I almost bit the flower. I almost bit.
No, I need some more Yo, the food was good. Was it?
10 out of 10.
Huh?
10 out of 10.
You blow my shit up. You blow my Yeah.
10 out of 10.
9.
Bring y'all kids here.
No. No, y'all can't though.
Bring y'all grandma here. This is a cute place for a day.
Y'all, so I got back from Charlotte on Friday. Today is Tuesday. Somehow, someway, I got sick. Like, I'm so sick. I got back here like around 11 something at night, and I had to be at work like within like 20 minutes, midnight. So I went straight to work as soon as I got back here. But I've been so sick since I got back, and I do not know how. I really feel so freaking out of here. And I hate it because I really hate being sick. My nose are stuffed. First, my voice was gone. My chest, my throat was hurting. So now, like, my nose is very much real stuffed. But, y'all, that's the end of this video. I'm, like, gone. I'm so sleepy. I want to take some medicine and go to sleep. But I can't because I got to go to work. But, sorry, guys. See y'all in the next video.